Welcome to Officework, the online editor that makes creating spreadsheets simple and accessible, perfect for both quick tasks and detailed projects. Let's dive in and get started. First, visit the Officework webpage and click on Start Application. There's no need to download or install anything. With just one click, the tool opens right in your browser, saving you time and hassle. Once the application launches, you'll see options for creating different types of documents. XLS for spreadsheets, DOC for word processing, and PPT for presentations. For now, let's focus on the XLS option, which takes you straight into the spreadsheet editor. The interface is intuitive and designed to be user-friendly, even if it's your first time using the tool. You can start by entering your data into the cells. The toolbar at the top provides a range of features to help you customize your spreadsheet to fit your needs. You can make text bold, italicize or underline it, adjust cell colors to highlight key points, and even merge cells for clean headers or organized sections. But what sets Officework apart is how seamlessly it handles formulas and calculations. Whether you're managing budgets, tracking expenses, or analyzing data, adding formulas is quick and easy. Just select the cell where you want the result, choose the function, and watch the tool do the work for you. Once your spreadsheet is complete, saving and sharing it is just as effortless. Click on the Save button to download your work in XLS format, or choose the cloud storage option to access it from anywhere. This feature ensures that your spreadsheet is ready to share with colleagues, clients, or teammates instantly. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who needs a quick solution for spreadsheet creation, Officework has all the tools you need right in your browser. No complicated setups, no hidden fees, just a reliable, easy-to-use tool to get the job done. So why wait? Try Officework today and experience how simple creating and managing spreadsheets can be, all online, all at your fingertips.